Hello, and welcome to Wing Tips. Today we have a short but very useful operational tip for you regarding how to easily stay within your polygonal geobarrier when you move your home point. If you're anything like me, you probably do most of your mission planning in the office before ever setting foot on site. You do the best you can to try to identify obstructions. When we determine the best location for our home point, we add our geobarrier. We have the option to create a circular or polygonal geobarrier. I tend to use the polygonal geobarrier because it allows for more precision. But we might not always be familiar with the location where we are going to be flying. Mission planning in the office is one thing, but sometimes when we arrive on site and do our on-site inspection, we may determine that we'd like to move our home point. This can be because the lay of the land, restricted access, or we simply have found a better home point for our mission needs. What if we move our home point and we now find ourselves outside of the geobarrier? How do we fix this? There's a really easy way that Wingtra Pilot lets us solve this problem. Of course, we could manually adjust the polygon until we're happy, or we could simply select Reset Polygon within the geobarrier parameter. As you can see, this automatically places the home point inside the geobarrier. Additionally, it accounts for the clearance needed should we change the Wingtra's transition direction. So there you have it. It's pretty clever, huh? So that's all for now. I hope you found this tip useful, and we'll see you on the next one.